Okay, everyone brought something.
I brought a salad.
Me too.
Oh, it's looked good.
I made it myself.
Cool.
Do you want to try it?
I also made a salad.
Why is everyone bringing salad?
I cooked the pasta.
It doesn't look very tasty, but it's homemade.
I baked the bread. It's hard.
I grilled the meat.
It's still raw.
I forgot the dessert.
I cooked the chicken.
Oh, where is it?
Oh, well, it's too late. The dog ate the chicken.
Okay, this is funny. Please don't sing while I'm eating.
I'm singing for the atmosphere.
Okay,
Focus on food.
Well, we're eating together. That's nice.
I'm serving the drinks. Oh, I spilled the juice.
Oh no, the table is getting wet.
At least the table is clean now.
Try this. It doesn't look good. It tasted strange. I don't like this sauce.
She never likes anything.
But she's honest.
We're not cooking next year.
Everyone tried.
Let's pause the scene and look at the English.
These are common cooking verbs, all in the past. Brought, made, cooked, baked, grilled, forgot. Estos son verbos comunes de cocina, todos en pasado. Trajo, hizo, cocinó, horneó, asó, olvidó. We also describe food and how it looks. Doesn't look very tasty. It's hard. It's still raw. También describimos la comida y cómo se ve. No se ve muy rico. Está duro. Todavía está crudo.
And of course, things go wrong in the kitchen. Forgot, ate, disappeared.
Y por supuesto, las cosas salen mal en la cocina. Olvidó, comió, desapareció.
These actions are happening right now. We're eating, I'm singing, I'm serving the drinks.
Estas acciones están ocurriendo ahora mismo. Estamos comiendo, estoy cantando, estoy sirviendo las bebidas.
This is how we talk about taste and personal opinion. Tastes strange. I don't like this sauce.
Así es como hablamos del sabor y de la opinión personal. Tiene un sabor raro. No me gusta esta salsa.
That was fun.
It was.
See ya!
Subscribe to learn more English with us.
Ho, ho, ho. You look lovely.
Thank you,
Everyone
Santa.
cried.